What's going on, guys? My name is Ruben Villegas. Welcome to Group 30 Civil Engineering Fundamentals video, where we'll explore the ins and outs of civil engineering. To start the video off, civil engineering is one of the world's oldest engineering disciplines, tracing back to 3000 BC with the construction of the pyramids in Egypt and the advanced civilization of Mesopotamia in Iraq. In recent times, we can see the world has changed drastically with the help of civil engineers due to the new technologies and structures being developed on a daily basis that one can only dream of. With many skyscrapers such as Willis Tower, Taipei 101, Shanghai Tower, Petronas Twin Tower, and the Burj Khalifa, the effect of civil engineers on the world can only be faintly described. So what do civil engineers do? Civil engineers are responsible for constructing, supervising, and running large construction projects and systems, not limited to high-rise buildings, metro monorail subway stations, roads, harbors, airports, tunnels, bridges, dams, sewage, and water supply systems. Civil engineers work hand in hand with other professionals such as architects, consultants, contractors, and suppliers for their projects. Civil engineers ultimately shape the history of nations around the world. You cannot imagine life without the contributions of civil engineers to maintain the utmost standard of living, safety, and public health. There are multiple main branches of civil engineering, one of them being construction engineering. Construction engineers deal with the planning, construction, and maintenance of structures. There are structural engineers. They deal with structural analysis and design of structures. There are geotechnical engineers. They study the soil, foundations, and bearing capacities of the land. Transportation engineering. They deal with planning, construction, and management of transportation facilities. There's also surveying, which deals with the surveying and leveling of lands using various instruments, mapping, and contouring of terrains. Water resource engineering. This type of engineering deals with design and construction of hydraulic structures like dams, canals, water distribution systems. Environmental engineering. This is the study of environmentally friendly designs, sewage management, pollution, and treatment of the land. Municipal engineering. This deals with urban/planning of management, township, etc. Coastal engineering. This type of engineering deals with the coastal or marine structures. Tunnel engineering. This type of engineering deals with the planning, design, construction, safety, and maintenance of tunnels. Earthquake engineering. This is the study of seismic forces, earthquake-resistant structures, etc. And finally, material engineering, which is the study of material strength. So what skills do you need to be a successful civil engineer? First off, you need technical skills. You need to make sure you're good in mathematics and physics, have a knowledge of basic softwares, and you need to know the basic fundamentals of engineering. You're also going to need analytical skills. You need the ability to analyze survey reports, complex charts, maps, and diagrams. You need to be a team player. You need the ability to function as a member of a larger team. You're going to need communication skills, both verbal and written. You're going to need critical thinking. From planning, designing, to constructing whatever you may be building, you need to be able to solve complex technical issues that may come along the way. You also need a great sense of leadership. Civil engineers normally manage diverse teams of architects, non-technical members, engineers, and managers and contractors. Overall, you need project management. You need to be proactive and willing to take on new challenges and to work effectively under pressure. So why did Group 30 personally choose civil engineering? We chose to be a civil engineer because civil engineers create the world around us. Civil engineers are the unsung heroes of the engineering world. You will be a part of helping society to become more advanced by adapting the infrastructure to meet new challenges brought on by new technologies, population growth, and climate change. And finally, civil engineers are creative in their own unique way. Whether it be using materials in new ways, improving workflows to gain greater efficiencies, or adapting to growing demands from technological advancements, population growth, or the environment, as a civil engineer, you will have great opportunities for problem solving and creativity. So that's going to wrap up today's video, guys. Hope you have a great day, and thank you guys for listening.